In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint effectively, all in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to brush up on your office software skills. This quick guide will provide you with the basics to get started and make the most out of these powerful tools. Let's dive right in by exploring how to launch and use each of these applications, beginning with Microsoft Excel. First off, you'll want to find the application on your computer. This can easily be done by clicking the Windows Start menu. It's the small icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Once the Start menu pops up, you'll notice a search bar right at the bottom. Simply type Excel into this search bar. As you start typing, suggestions will appear above, and the Microsoft Excel application should be listed right there. Click on it to open Excel. Upon opening Excel, you'll be brought to the Excel home screen. Here you have the choice to open a recent document or select from a variety of templates. For our purposes, let's go ahead and create a blank document. This is where you can let your creativity flow, add text, import images, and explore other features Excel has to offer. It's a fantastic tool for organizing data, performing complex calculations, and visualizing information through charts and graphs. After exploring Excel, let's proceed to Microsoft PowerPoint, a software that's all about making impactful presentations. To open PowerPoint, follow the same initial steps. Click on the Start menu and type PowerPoint in the search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click to open it. Navigating to the PowerPoint home, you're greeted with several options, including template selections for your presentations. For this tutorial, select Blank Presentation. This will open a new presentation where you can start adding slides, text, images, and various other elements to convey your message creatively and effectively. PowerPoint is incredibly versatile, allowing you to incorporate animations, transitions, and multimedia to bring your presentations to life. Now, let's not leave out Microsoft Word, an essential tool for document creation and editing. The approach to opening Word is identical to Excel and PowerPoint. Hit the Start menu button, type Word into the search bar, and open the application by clicking on it. Once inside Microsoft Word, you'll want to start by creating a new document. Like in Excel, you have the option to start from scratch or choose from an array of templates for your document. Word is incredibly user-friendly and offers a multitude of features to style and format your text, insert images, create tables, and even add hyperlinks. Whether you're drafting a report, crafting a resume, or preparing a newsletter, Word provides all the tools you need to produce professional and polished documents. To summarize, becoming proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint starts with understanding how to access and create new documents or presentations in each application. Remember, the key to mastering these tools lies in exploring their features and practicing regularly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different functions and capabilities to discover how they can best serve your needs. Whether it's organizing data in Excel, crafting compelling presentations in PowerPoint, or creating documents in Word, these applications are designed to boost your productivity and enhance your digital skills. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to becoming proficient in these essential Microsoft Office applications. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll find yourself leveraging these tools to their full potential in no time.